two of them, one to the right too. Oh Jesus!
Oh, you got him!
No. Got him! No,
got him, dude! Yes!
Get the net!
Out of the air!
Get the net! Where's he at? Where's he at? Look out!
Come up here, Cash. Come up here.
Just get the film. Get the film. Where's he at? Where's he at?
Yes, sir, dude.
Dude, he jumped and you got him. Holy fuck!
I missed him. He got him on the second jump.
Remember, I got a long one. Just get him close enough.
Out the
throw it in reverse so we
the
can.
side can be broken. Can it still hold in there?
Somewhat.
That's fine.
Oh,
just
yeah.
make it work.
Oh, yeah.
Make it work.
Oh, that's a big old one.
That's a nice one.
Cash, get him head first.
Yeah, no, I need to, but no. Fuck.
Just wait, and when he gets head first, just let him run into it. Because if you try and get on the back, you're gonna hit that arrow when he takes off.
Keep going forward.
It's sitting still now. I just got it stuck. We're good.
Yeah, he's still running backwards.
Okay. Then I'm gonna shut it off and put it up.
It's not spinning. It's just idling. You're good. You can shut it off if you want to guess, but there's.
There we go. He's out. He's out.
Okay. Got my phone light out. A lot of light here for us.
Yeah.
Need the spotlight. Cash, come to the left side.
Yeah. I don't see where he's gonna go. Okay, yeah.
He's gonna be head first to the left side. Oh no, he went right. Oh, you're through.
Stuck in here, he's wrapped around.
Yes, sir.
Let's go, boys.
That's a big in.
Oh, the fucking net's not great.
That's what we're after right there.
Sir.
Big old
Giants.
Nebraska Asian
We have
carp.
two more swimming that. Oh, actually, it might be our ripples.
They are all over. That's gonna get rowdy. There we go. I have two!
That's a double.
Doubled up! Oh, that's a nice one. He just beached himself. Get that thing. Who needs a bow?
I don't even know why we bring the bow.
Oh my god.
Got him.
Oh my god.
Yep.
It was pretty big. A gar or what?
Oh my god, they've never ripped it like this.
Yeah, no, what's happening? This guy's running.
They've never ripped line like this guy.
Oh, holy shit. Where's the net? Get on the get on.
Where's the net?
No, hey, all them behind you, Grab that comfort. Give me. Is it a carp or what?
Another one, Connor, right in front. Connor, right in front.
Never mind.
He's gone. He went under.
Here, Connor, you step. Just a step.
What is it? If you need to pass it by, I got it. Go ahead, what? What the fuck? This might even not be a...
I don't think this is that
I don't think this is a carp or gar.
I don't know what it is.
What the fuck?
A beaver?
This thing is swimming. Turtle?
Don't be a big large now.
Don't be so... Yeah, don't be fucking... Oh, let's see.
It's not
He is fighting hard. It ain't fighting like a big one.
I know you probably got him stuck though. You're chilling. Bro, what's it?
It's not stuck. It's not stuck at all.
Oh,
It's in the tail. It's right in the tail.
That's fine. Okay. This is good. Is it?
I'm gonna be easy with him.
No, it's just right in the tail, so it's not fighting normal. It's barely in there, dude.
It's
Barely in there. It's barely in
Is
there.
my vape there? Is my vape there?
It's barely in there.
It's a cat.
No, it ain't. It's an Asian.
It ain't?
It's a big old Asian. It's just right in the tail.
Oh, really?
It's barely in there.
Cash, am I neutral right now?
Watch out for the
Channel? Oh, it's another cat. It's my vape.
Yeah.
I say it's another big one. It just was
It's a carp. Oh.
You
Damn,
barely.
nice shot, Colton.
Ooh.
Yeah, I know. I'm not a fucking... Connor!
He shot.
Yeah, I know. I'm not a... Oh, motherfucker.
Oh, there's a big.
That was him, I believe. Oh, there's another one.
Oh wow.
Did you just see the Asian eat it on the vlog? Did you just see the Asian eat it on the vlog? That boy done. These things are just... they're heading out. Whew. Wow. Okay. Smoked him. Wait, it's huge, Kane. It's huge. It's huge. It's huge.
What's huge?
It's huge.
Let me see. Let me see.
Pull his ass up. They're big ones are ours? Woo. He might have got off. No, he's
No.
on. He's on. Fucking snap.
You want me to reel your line?
Yeah. What's he stuck on? Oh.
Let that line loose, Kirby.
Yo! Oh, ooh! Bro, let's go. You gotta stop the boat.
The boat is stopped.
Okay. Kirby ain't
How big is big?
Huge.
Alright. We're gonna open the door.
Oh. Don't let the fucking light.
He's coming. Might have gone off. No, he didn't.
Should I give him a second shot?
Wait, no. Yeah, Cash, get ready to put a second one in.
Holy shit. That's the things we've seen before. Let him go.
Cash, get ready to put
Remember these? We've seen these.
Keep tension. Get him. Yep. You got 2 arrows in him? That's a...
Holy
oh my god. You got another arrow in him, Cash? No. What is that?
Dude, that's... remember we've seen these before?
Shit.
Like,
oh!
shit.
What is that?
That's a type of carp?
It's a...
huge ass type of carp?
Dude.
What the fuck is that?
Oh my god, it's big.
Oh my god.
Hey, Kirby, we need to get to the bank. I'm gonna go in the water and grab his mouth.
Do you remember this? What is it?
See, it's fucking huge.
Oh my god.
Ready? Yep. God, he's so big. Oh, hold on, we gotta get this door open. Kirby. Get in there, get him in. What happened to the light bar? I don't care.
One of the deals came out.
Don't let him rip that arrow. What is this? Oh my god, holy shit! Whoa! Let's go! Let's go! I figured out what's wrong. Oh my god! Yeah, buddy! Yeah! Woo!
Two-hit wonder. Except you lost it. So still just...
He gave me a blood trail.
Trail him.
Found him.
Oh, you did get it.
Yes. What? Oh.
Was that one?
I saw a big one. Yep.
Hey, Kirby.
Did you shoot the light?
No, he just hit it.
No, I shot it.
What broke? Well, it's still
Your
on,
blow boat
so-
is split in half.
Dude. The what happened?
The
bow split. How does that even? They still work or what?
What the fuck happened here?
Yeah, or like.
Because this snaps back in, and it bolts.
At least it was after you shot and not when you pulled back.
This bolt came out.
Oh, that's what I thought.
Like this bolt right here is...
Try to tighten her back in. Yes, put it back in quick.
No, there's no tightening this, dude.
GoPro. Maybe should we get home and dry that or?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We might need to dry this out.
Let's go.
I've already almost broke it once. I guarantee all this is like. We should have a segment called Spearing with Kane.
Hey, scare him my way.
Oh, he's got him. That's what, I'm on Kane right now.